And good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to all of you to the 5th World IT Forum. We are going to be shortly starting with the inaugural plenary session, where we are going to be joined by the Honorable Minister for Communications and IT, Shri Kapil Sibal, as the chief guest of this session. Also going to be joined by the Honorable Minister of State for Communications and IT, Mr. Sachin Pilot. On their arrival, we shall commence with the proceedings of the session. The entire session is scheduled for 1 hour, and after that, the Honorable Minister is going to be inaugurating the exhibition. Alongside, we are also going to be having a tea and coffee break of half an hour, and then we shall resume with our first plenary session 1, that is going to be starting at 11:30. Further, as we move into the day, we are going to be apprising you of how the sessions have been planned. As you know, ladies and gentlemen, this conference is being organized by the International Federation of Information Processing, along with the Department of Electronics and Communications and IT, Government of India. These 2 days are going to be really productive and healthy discussions we are going to be having, and we are going to be looking into the role and the application of ICT in various sectors like education, health, towards extending transparent governance in the field of agriculture and other sectors. We are not only going to be talking about the role and the application of ICT, but we are also going to be looking into the social, legal and ethical issues concerned regarding the development, also looking into the infrastructural questions, the economic opportunities and also the environmental issues. Further, ladies and gentlemen, this conference has actually been planned in 2 sessions. In the first session, we are going to be basically having more of a panel discussion where we extend the policies, the initiatives, the best practices, and in the second part, we are going to be having the peer-reviewed papers on the theme of the conference, which is Sustainable Human Development.